Yeah. I imagine they're going to want to take pictures of us. They always do. Oh wow! Oh, I'd love to do that.
Say 26 billion, and the side of it.
Hi, my name is Will Stevens. I'm the U.S. Consul General at our U.S. Consulate General in Lagos, where we cover the 17 southern states of Nigeria. And it's been my great honor today to meet with Governor Wike and talk about the partnership between the United States and this state and all the great work that we're doing together. I congratulated the governor on the incredible work that's been done here in Rivers to combat the HIV/AIDS pandemic. This state is one of the leading states in the country and has reached 97% of people with HIV/AIDS who are on treatment, having gone from 19% in 2019, just in the past 3 years alone. Absolutely incredible results, and something that he and the government here should be incredibly proud of. We also talked a bit about trade and investment opportunities and how the U.S. can continue to focus and support some of the great things that are happening. Looking forward tomorrow to visit the almost complete cancer center hospital and talk about U.S. support for that as well. So it's been a real wonderful opportunity to have a great conversation about the things that are happening here in Rivers and the partnership that we have. Thanks.